Other big story on 12 News at 10. A young Phoenix mother facing child abuse charges is speaking out from behind bars.
21-year-old Taquila Wilson was arrested last week after police discovered severe injuries all over her 3-year-old son's body. He reportedly told investigators, "Mommy hit me." But tonight, Wilson is telling us that's not true.
She spoke to 12 News in a jailhouse interview. Team 12's Monique Griego has the story. Monique?
While police say Wilson initially admitted to causing some of the injuries, she now denies the allegations, telling 12 News they were caused instead by a medical condition. Handcuffed and in stripes, Taquila Wilson, a Valley mother accused of beating her 3-year-old son, walked into a Maricopa County jail interview room to tell her side of the story.
I just want to be able to prove that I'm innocent, and I didn't commit this crime.
Court documents show those crimes include allegations she abused her son with a belt, shoe, and clothes hanger, which police say left the 3-year-old with bruises and injuries on his legs, arms, head, neck, ears, face, torso, and back, all in various stages of healing. Doctors also reported the child had cauliflower trauma on both ears. Investigators say 3 separate people reported the injuries to police, and when asked what happened, the little boy reportedly told officers, "Mommy hit me." Police also say Wilson's 2 older children, ages 4 and 6, told them their mother caused the injuries.
Abusing my son. I did not do that at all.
While Wilson denies the allegations, police claim she initially admitted to disciplining the boy and causing some of his injuries. But when asked what caused them now...
Yeah, he has a skin disease, and that's all I want to disclose, is he has a skin disease. I have paperwork for it, and I need an attorney to prove my innocence.
According to court documents, Wilson also told police she was the boy's only caretaker and that she'd been dealing with a lot of stress. She remains in jail, charged with 1 count of child abuse. Monique Griego, 12 News.